Managing a fleet of vehicles can be costly, time-consuming and inefficient, especially if you're currently using Excel spreadsheets to track MOT, tax, insurance and servicing. And with fleet costs averaging as a business's second highest overhead, keeping your drivers safe, compliant and road legal, as well as recording service histories and vehicle safety checks, is vital to ensuring your vehicles spend more time on the road and less time in the garage. Introducing Pocket Box Fleet, the cost-effective, proactive and simple way to manage your fleet. Pocket Box Fleet keeps both your vehicles and drivers road legal and compliant from one easy-to-use dashboard. Drivers simply download the free Pocket Box app from the iOS App Store or Google Play Store and can forget about those outdated paper-based checklists. Using our app, drivers can perform personalised daily walk-around checks, report vehicle-related issues, take photographs of damages and defects, and post daily mileage updates. And because our system is cloud-based, you can log in from anywhere via your computer or mobile phone and can instantly see and address any issues that might affect the efficiency and profitability of your fleet. And to make it even easier, our simple traffic light system shows you the most important tasks for your driver and vehicles. Pocket Box Fleet keeps your drivers safe, your business compliant, and your vehicles on the road. So why not contact Pocket Box today and start making fleet management easy?